Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Dumebi, singer, performer, singer, a lot of things. And well, this is my ZoneOut session.
Torn off the morning, I heard you say I love you, and then the wind blows. I'm wondering what this could be. Stare out the window, and I think about you. And then it's the setting of the sun, and now I feel so incomplete when you are here and I'm with you. You're all the love that I don't need, but you became a mystery to me, to me. Again, come get me home. Again, come get me home. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Again, come get me home. Again, come get me home. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Forget the way you smile at me. Your memory still lingers, the time you spent with me, and I still feel you. Feel you here with me. No one can replace you. You're irreplaceable, don't you know? When you are here and I'm with you, you're all the love that I don't need, but you became a mystery to me, to me. Again, come get me home. Again, come get me home. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Again, come get me home. Again, come get me home. What am I gonna do? 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 Inside.
Myself, my name is